Hey guys, today we got a PlayStation 5. In this case, customer state that he can't update the PlayStation 5. Every time that he tries to update it, he get this error. Um, so we're gonna open it. We're gonna check the flex. Usually with this error, is because either the cable for the CD drive it was not well connected. It's on detached or something. There's a problem exactly with it. This PlayStation gave us a lot of headaches, and it was a nightmare. It was a nightmare. Believe me, you guys gonna see it. I checked the cable probably 20 times. We open it, close it, open it, close it, open it, close it. Make sure everything went in. Boom, and then we try it on the TV, as you can see, but it's a nightmare. We get error after error after error after error. On this specific case, we get two different errors. Get this one, and then later on it changed to another one. Gotta make sure those flex they don't move, and if you disconnect them, connect them back, make sure everything is perfect before you close the console, because this console has too many screws. There's a lot of screws on the PlayStation 5. Yeah. So we try it again multiple times, and no success until I decided to go all the way inside the console and check the main cable. You guys gonna see it really soon. It gave us some kind of advance, but it kept giving us something went wrong. Something went wrong. This job is not easy. Because you gotta use your imagination. And sometimes you get the hopes high, like here, but it ends like this. Boom, 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 boom. Try it again. Boom. Try it again. And all the way to the front. Wait. Try other things, and boom. So we go all the way in. Now my assistant is helping me with the screws because there are too many screws. Take all the screws out. Too many damn screws on it. So as you can see, I think we found the problem. We get it all the way in. Make sure it's straight, how it's supposed to go. And we close the damn console. On this case, we only put a couple screws, like 3 or 4, to test. Wanna make sure we don't close it without testing. So here we go to the TV, and we'll see if it worked. We got more options now. So let's try to do a full reset. Why are we getting that? So here we're trying again. Goes all the way in. And we try to do manual update. Here you can see it's installing it, and it didn't give us an error. We're doing it here now. Before it would have gave us an error on the 80 something. Now it doesn't. So it goes to the PlayStation logo, asking us to connect the controller. Gotta make sure everything is working perfectly. Let's see. Join the game, because before it wouldn't show the game. No. go. There we go. So guys, don't forget to like us and subscribe and wait for more content. Thank you.